Hi guys, welcome back to Paradise Travel. In this video, I would like to talk about Om Beach. So, before we start, don't forget to subscribe our channel. Om Beach is a wonderful beach located in the town of Gokarna. Shaped like the symbol Om, this beach offers plenty of adventurous sports to the thrill seekers. The view of this beach during sunset is one to be cherished forever. It is usually lined with shacks on the sides offering cheap accommodation and restaurants with global menus. There is also a bunch of fun water sports activities available on Om Beach, including speedboats, surfing, etc. Visitors can even enjoy boating here. Om Beach derives its name from its shape, which is formed by two semi-crescents joined together. The unique black rock formations here attract a lot of travelers. One can spot fishermen boats, small cafes, eat areas, and crowds swirling up in the sky at this beautiful beach. The beauty of this beach compels many visitors even to cross the danger area and play in these splashing waves. This place is a heaven for all the shutterbugs with some mind-blowing sceneries amidst the rocky terrain. So these are special things about Om Beach. If you know about Om Beach, let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe our channel. See you in the next video.